वॉकहार्ट हॉस्पिटल्स की जो विस्तार योजनाएं हैं, इसको जानने के लिए कंपनी की एमडी जहाबिया खुराकीवाला से एक्सक्लूसिव बातचीत की जी बिजनेस की एग्जीक्यूटिव एडिटर स्वाति खंडेलवाल ने। आइए सुनते हैं।
अज़ाइबा, सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं हेल्थ केयर स्पेस और वॉकहार्ट हॉस्पिटल्स इस स्पेस में काफ़ी टाइम से है। पहले तो बताइए आपका क्या प्लान है। जब हम वॉकहार्ट हॉस्पिटल्स की बात करें, क्या एक्सपेंशन कर रहे हैं आप और किस तरह से आप बिज़नेस बढ़ाने की बात कर रहे हैं?
तो हम मतलब लास्ट I would say 10 years.
Right.
We've had 2-3 things we've done. One is that we've entered the tier 2 cities where healthcare has not been available. Tertiary level healthcare has not been available. People have always had to travel to the metros. So a large footprint that we have today is in the non-metros, providing that level of care. In the last 4 years, we've introduced 2 hospitals in Bombay. बहुत बड़ी facilities है, 300 बेड की each, और सभी specialities है, transplant के से लेके cardiac, orthopedic, GI, critical care. So this is our focus. This has been our focus for the last 3-4 years. These 2 large facilities, which are really offering cutting-edge treatment in the regenerative space as well.
Okay, तो ये तो आपके अभी तक के प्लान्स हैं और अभी तक आपने ये किया, बट बिकॉज वॉकहार्ट एक फार्मा कंपनी है, आपके फादर ऑफ कोर्स उससे बहुत अच्छे से जुड़े हैं और सालों से हम देख रहे हैं, तो ये नेचुरल एक्सटेंशन था। क्या चॉइस थी आपके पास वॉकहार्ट में नहीं होकर आपने हॉस्पिटल्स को चुना?
तो डिसीजन मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 25 साल पहले हुई थी, before I was there, but the decision was not experimental or accidental. I think and when we got into the space, it was a single hospital for almost 10 years. And the reason for that was that I think we were trying to see if we wanted to make sure we get it right, we understand the space well. Hospitals is not an easy space, fairly complex in terms of processes, systems, etc. And if you want to replicate, you have to make sure you're replicating those systems and processes for it to be consistent and of that same quality. So that is why we got into the space slowly, but then after we got in, we did expand quickly.
Okay, so now what are your plans? क्योंकि अब जब आपने ये डिसीजन ले लिया कि हॉस्पिटल्स में आपको बढ़ना है, जैसे आपने बोला टियर 2 टियर 3 सिटीज़ में आपका फोकस है, क्यों ऐसा? मेट्रोज में नहीं रह के, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी बहुत कंपटीशन है? यू थिंक देयर इज बेटर
opportunity, and I think it was an unmet need in the market. These cities are large cities. We're talking about Nagpur, Rajkot, Nasik. They are 1 million plus, and they did not have these kind of facilities. So I think it's not a small population, huge demand, and I think we were able to create a model that was viable and sustainable for the long term. And that's what really.
तो अब क्या मतलब आप जो सिटीज़ आइडेंटिफाई किए हैं वहाँ पर तो आप बढ़ा रहे हैं बिजनेस, बट इसके बियॉन्ड भी, बिकॉज पेनिट्रेशन लेवल्स आई एम श्योर बहुत स्कोप है हमें और बढ़ाने में, तो व्हाट आर योर बिगर प्लान्स? अगर हम 2, 3, 4 की बात करें तो वो फिर भी छोटा ही लग रहा है फिलहाल।
So we have 8 hospitals, but I think for us the objective has always been not in terms of numbers necessarily, number of hospitals, but really in terms of the depth of work that we do. So one of the things that we've been doing and investing in for the last 8 years is the regenerative space. And these are the treatments that are being introduced across all our hospitals, starting from the metros and into the tier 2 cities as well. And it's in fairly widespread indications of orthopedics, wound healing, and aesthetics. And it's very cutting edge. It's very contemporary. I would say that we're probably one of the first movers in this space. And regenerative space, stem cell space, is going to, I think, change the way we understand treatments today.